Hi Kick viewers, my name is Nick and I'm a creator of the KickTrack project. And KickTrack is an app that helping you track and time you spend on kick.com watching your streamers. And in this video I will show you how to use the KickTrack app. To start using KickTrack, you have to get the Google Chrome extension. You can find the link on the KickTrack website or in the description to this video. Install the Google Chrome extension from the Chrome Web Store by clicking Add to Chrome button and accepting all pop-ups. After adding it to Chrome, open the extension and click Login with Kick. You will be forwarded to the Kick authentication page, and note that we use official Kick tools and you'll never share your password with us. In my case it's in Russian, but press Accept it. And after login, you will be redirected to KickTrack application page, but for now let's go to Kick and watch streamers as you are usually do. For example, I've selected a beautiful streamer Jenny Miliai with some IRL sauna stream, so let's track time watching this one. And now, the KickTrack extension will automatically recognize the stream we are watching and will start tracking time right away. I mean, it may take a second to catch up with OpenStream, but it will start tracking the stream, as you can see here. And now let's watch it for some time, and then we will see in the KickTrack website our tracked data. Let's refresh the website, and we see the personalized dashboard with data for the last 30 days. Let's sort data by streamers, select today, and find our Jenny Miliai track record, and here it is. Yep. We can also check data for any particular day and see this record here also. Or we can select any other day, let's say 25th of April. There is 30 days dashboard that you've seen previously. Each bar on the chart is clickable and you can see data categorized by streamer or by category. And there is all time dashboard. There is all tracked data is represented in form of interactive pie chart, which is also can be categorized by streamer or by category. Please note that this is a alpha version of a project and occasional bugs may occur, so in case if you will need any, feel free to contact me at contact@kicktrack.live and I will process all of your emails. So thank you and happy tracking!